What's going on, guys? It's been a long time since I've made my last YouTube video, but today is Saturday, the end of May, and we are over at the wood yard, and today is just a maintenance day. So on the agenda for today is we are cutting up some 1/8 inch steel of sheet metal, and we've just cut those up. I've got one more piece to cut up, and we are essentially repairing the dump bed. Yeah, so anyways, quick little update. I've called like 12 logging companies in northern New Hampshire, and I've only been in contact with three, or three have contacted me back, which is terrible ratios. Bad business. I don't know. But anyways, one company has confirmed that they're going to be delivering some wood to me this coming week, which is awesome because I have a ton of wood that needs to be delivered. In not metaphorically, I have a ton, but in reality, I have way more than a ton to deliver. I think I have 30 cord accounted for. So multiple tractor trailer loads, which is awesome because like I told you guys at the beginning of the springtime, late fall, I wanted to go through 6 tractor trailer loads this year, and we are right on track. So yeah, I'm going to get my generator out, my welder out. I'm going to get all the metal sheets out, and we are going to start fabbing up some repair work on my dump truck. So let's get into it. All right, folks, so this is my 1/8 sheet metal. I've got 2 pieces at 4 inches and 2 pieces at 12 inches. 12 inches going up the side of the wall, and then 4 inches going over, because the floor, as you can see, has already been added onto, like replaced. All right, guys, I got my piece cut, and I just realized I didn't have my leaf blower, and I also don't have a broom, so I'm not gonna be able to weld all 3 of these pieces, or maybe I do, but it's gonna be a cob job. But anyway, so we're definitely going in that back corner over there, and then we're definitely doing this corner here. So yeah, we're gonna get started. All right, folks. It is definitely nowhere close to perfect, but it's definitely going to do the job. That's for dang sure. So I'm gonna move on to this section here because there's a little hole right here in this corner. So I'm gonna take care of this area, and then the last piece I'm gonna take care of over here, and then that's gonna be it for the repairs on the dump truck for today. All right, guys, just got the second two pieces of steel, so third and fourth piece of the steel in. It definitely helps out quite a bit, and now we just have the final one up there to take care of. Guys, I just disintegrated my hands. Oh my gosh, my hand hurts. I grabbed onto the freaking welding wire. Ow! My hands are shaking. Anyways. Alright guys, got this one taken care of. That hole is gone, and then I took care of those two spots as well, and that hole is gone. So I'm pretty happy with that, that's for sure. What's going on, everybody? It is the very next day, which I might just carry this on to yesterday's video that I thought was going to be a separate video. But anyways, we're back over here at the wood yard. It's Sunday. The same place that I got the metal sheet from yesterday or 2 days ago. They had a Facebook post for miscellaneous gauged metal sheets that they were just selling. So I went and picked it all up. And there's a lot of different sizes. I think there's probably like 5 different size gauge metal, but there's a lot of metal. So and the best part is I got all this metal for $150, which is the exact same amount that I spent on those 4 pieces, or those 6 pieces right there. So yeah, I'm super happy about that. And a lot of them, it's basically enough metal to completely refab and repair the dump body completely. I just don't know if I have enough time today before rain comes, so I'm starting off with filling in the doors. And yeah, so I'm super pumped, and I'm just gonna get started on sizing some of these metal pieces up, and then we'll get to welding. So yeah, super pumped. All right, guys, we just got this wall completely, or this gate completely sealed, which is awesome. So now I won't have any debris fall out the back, any rocks or anything like that. And so now I'm gonna start working on this side. So here we go. All right, guys, we just got the second door taken care of. So now both of my doors are fully sealed, and when I close up the 2 gates, no material is going to be able to get out of the back, which is awesome. I have some I'm hoping and praying that I have some firewood logs coming my way this week. I was told the middle of the week I could get a load or 2, which is great. So I think what I might do is I might just tidy up the wood yard and clean up, just get prepared, I guess, is what I'm saying. So yeah, anyways, I think I am going to end this video here finally, after doing some major repairs on the dump body of my dump truck. So if you like this video, if you like what I'm doing and you want to support the channel, give my channel a like and think about subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed.